So let's cut across. I think Adi Godrej is addressing the press on the earnings of Godrej Consumer Products Limited. Let's cut across and listen in.
For the fourth quarter, grew by 30% over the sales of the quarter four of the previous financial year. For the year as a whole, the sales grew by 32% over the sales for 11-12. The PAT growth for the quarter was 70% over the growth of quarter four of the previous year, but that included some exceptional income from the sale of our food business in Indonesia, which was part of our large Indonesian company, which is not a focus area for us, and we were able to sell it at a very good valuation in quarter four. And for the whole year as a whole, our net profit growth was 18%. That's without taking exceptional items into account for both the years. We had exceptional income in both the years, the year 11-12 as well as 12-13. We continue to have very good demand for our products. In the domestic market, in our three major categories, we grew well ahead of the category growth. So in soaps, our value growth for quarter four was 17% against the industry growth of 13%. And our volume growth was 4% against industry volume growth of 1%. In hair color, our growth was 27% against industry growth of 13%. When I say industry growth, these are AC Nielsen figures. In household insecticides, our growth was 26% against industry growth of 13%. So you can see in all the three major categories we play in the domestic market, we grew well ahead of category growth. Also, we feel category growths are quite strong across India, and I think some of you might have seen that HUL figures were also better than people had expected. So generally, we feel FMCG growth is going well, and we see very good signs of strong growth in the first quarter of the current year also. I'll end my remarks with that, and I'll be very happy to answer any questions you may have.
So you mentioned that you're expecting strong growth in the first quarter of this year. So any figure or any estimate?
No, we don't give any projections or we don't give any guidance, but we see strong momentum.
Better than this quarter?
Yes, I think we think the momentum is very strong. So we do see in the media some talk about demand slowing down, etc. At least I don't see any signs of it. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, in terms of volume, so how's it been for this quarter particularly?
Yeah, well, it's difficult in certain categories, difficult to compare volume. So in hair color, we never look at volume because you can't compare 1 gram of powder hair color with 1 gram of creme hair color or whatever. Same in household insect, you can't compare volumes of coils with liquids and mats, etc. In soap you can talk, that's why I gave you the volume figures. The volume growth in soaps has always been single digit. Soap is one of the few categories which are 100% penetrated. So every Indian does use toilet soap. So increased growth through more users is not available in the soaps category. Our value growth was 17%, volume growth was 4% in soaps for the quarter.
So talking about soaps only, considering that the prices of palm oil per se has sort of eased, have we taken some sort of price cuts in the past quarter?
See, you must remember that taking a price cut is very difficult because we have the MRP. Now there is a lot of stock in the market with a certain MRP. Now if you produce new stock with a lower MRP, the shopkeepers are not going to buy it. So normally what we do is we give promotions, or we say we'll give 4 for the price of 3 or something like that. So some promotions have started. We also spend a little more on advertising, but reducing the MRP becomes very difficult. We do it sometimes, but it's a difficult procedure because of the fact that the MRP has to be put. If there was no MRP being put on the packages, then one could give lower prices quite easily.
Sir, also last quarter we saw particularly high promotions in soap category. Do you think that promotion and discounts will continue at the same momentum?
Yes, whenever raw material prices start easing, that tends to be the situation in the market. Last time we saw prices coming down in soaps was in the year 9-10 and 10-11, the raw material.
All right, that's Adi Godrej talking about volume growth. Meanwhile, the finance bill has been passed.